But on the Post Spa bus, that's the 84, isn't it?
Yeah.
But we don't need to pay on that one.
No.
How come?
Because it accepts my bus pass.
Okay.
Yeah, I've got this seat cover, but I gave it to David Howard and it's still at his house. Wow, we're the only ones on here. Look.
The only one's upstairs, yeah. Not busy now, is it?
No.
St John's Road.
PM. Can I video getting off?
Yes.
Watford Junction Station.
Yeah, just try not to film people, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Have we prepped me to press the button, or is it?
I've already done it. It terminates here as well.
Okay. Whoa.
Have we got time to look at that airline bus, or we'll see?
We'll see. I need to check on my phone what time the... Ooh! 7... Yeah, why is it so bumpy? 724. So I don't need stuff.
We're here. Bus terminates here.
Ready?
This bus terminates here. Please take your belongings with you. This bus terminates here.
Thank you. Oh, quite a big step. Can I watch it go?
Yeah.
See you later, 258. And there's the code.